Hello and welcome to our presentation. Our team, Husky Byte, has worked on a site where you can find dog sitters, trainers, and walkers, as well as find dog products, all in one simple format. Our team consists of Makun, Alexander, Roland, and myself, Elisha. All of us have been web developers on this project.
Hi, thank you, Alijay, for introducing the team. Hello, Professor. My name is Mukund Bakshi, and I'm a web developer for this project, Husky Byte, and I would like to explain you more about the website and why we chose to do this project. So we chose this project because the team, we share a common interest and love for animals. So we decided to go with this route and build a website that could help and provide services to the animals and our beloved pets. So with the huge demand in services for dogs and animals or pet in general, I would just like to explain what Husky Byte does. So a Husky Byte is a website, an application where you can register your dog so that your dog can find a suitable sitter in a specific city. It also allows the customers to see what services and dogs sitter offer, and the price range, and how to contact. So let me take you through the planning procedure. We used these steps to plan everything for this project. Some tools that we used for the planning was Trello by Jira, and which would allow us to post our updates. Let me show you here. So somebody would there was a to-do list, a doing list, and a done list, and so far, and we are at the end of this project, so we are done with all the steps. And yeah, a to-do list would be somebody like a team leader would post something to do for and assign work to the team members, and we would just follow that and check mark. So this is Trello, and yes, and we use GitHub for sure for the version control. That made the collaboration very easy for the team, and Outlook for definitely connecting with the stakeholders. In this case, the stakeholders for the team members. And yeah, and then we also filled in this form, which we'll send you a copy of this form, and it just shows how and who did what work, and then we just check marked the work that we were able to put in. And that's it. My friend will take over from here, and he will explain you the rest of the website. Thank you, Professor, for this lovely session, and it was a very good experience to learn from you. Thank you.
Hello, I will be your next presenter, and my name is Roland Joseph Baha with student number 301252375. Now, I'm gonna tell you how to use Husky Byte. Once you are on the home page, you will see a register now button, and once you click it, you will be in this login page. Before you can log in, you need to register an account, and after filling out the information needed, just put your username, password, and log in. Once you log in, you will end up on this dog registration page. And to add your dog information, you just need to click the add a dog button. And there you will just put all the information of your dog and just press OK. If ever you made a mistake, you can just edit your dog information by clicking edit. And if you want to remove the registration, you can just press delete button. Now we will begin the site demonstration. The service provider that we use is Heroku. And this is our link. This is our landing page where you can see our app name and register now button and other company that offer same services. In the about page, this shows what is Husky Byte all about. This shows our passion, plan, future, and our support. And this is some of the products that we offer. We can click it if you want to order something, and it will go you directly to another website. And this is the services that we provide. This are the list, and these are the picture of the examples. And this is our registration page where you can add your dog information if you want to apply for the services that we provide. But before you can do that, you need to add your you need to log in first. But before logging in, you need to register. Okay, now I'm logged in. I can add another dog. As you can see, it added it here. If you want to edit it, just press edit button, and if you want to delete it, just press delete and press OK. And this is our contact page where you put your information, your name, last name, address, city, country, your age, email, and the reason why you wanted to contact us, and just press submit. And that's it for my presentation. The next presenter will be Alex.
This is the team retrospective, and I'm gonna talk about what challenge we had in the development and what we could do if we started again. So the first thing that came to our mind is working with a stakeholder would be better because since we are not specialized in the pet industry or any animal related business, I think we could be developing further what functionalities the application have. Now, the second thing I would point would be the focus on the back end first, then in the front end. Although it might seem a little simple, but it does make a difference because since we are still developing the application, I think working in the back end, making a solid back end makes it easier to make a design adjustable to what we have in the back end. And then the front end is a bit easier. I guess there were some steps we did in the front end first, then we had to adjust accordingly to the change we did in the back end, and that took us some extra time we shouldn't spend if we did the back end first. Another thing I wanted to point would be collaborating on the GitHub for us. Some of us was a bit challenging because it's, for me honestly, was the first experiencing using GitHub to collaborate in a project. I know the platform I used before, but I wasn't familiar on how to collaborate with others and how the pull requests and branches worked. So that was a good experience, learning experience for all of us. But in the end, we had a bit of challenge doing coding in that platform. Creating an interface sketch and user diagrams before any development would be also helpful because that way we could be kind of picturing the same project in our minds, because I think each of us had a different perspective about how Husky Byte would look like and how would be the end product before the final development. Here I will go over about future possibilities and how we could expand Husky Byte any further if we had more development time. So pretty much developing profiles where features similarly found in social media would be a good thing for us. And when I say that, that would apply for the users and probably for the dogs to make the end user learn more about the dog, about its behavior, and so on. Improvement in the overall user interface. I think we could be doing better in the interface in general, and probably some improvements could be done if we had more time. Make internal product store would be a good thing as well for us. at the moment we only have a link forwarding store kind of thing, where third-party companies put their products on. A dedicated application for Android and iOS, I think this would be an interesting one as well. And partnerships along local pet shops. So that would be to expand the project itself, not the application, where we could make some advertisement and partnerships with businesses to motivate end users to use our platform.